The shape?
It's recording. Tad, you want your first ice cream?
What are you going to do with it besides put your hands in it? Is it good?
Is it good? Yeah, hold his hands down. What are you doing? Was the ice cream good, buddy? Is it good? Oh, he wants more, Mommy. Wow. Finally a food Chucky's likes. Ice cream. Made me feel good on your teeth? Oh, he really likes it. You're so messy, buddy.
Easy, 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 easy. Here you go, here you go. Here. It's good, huh?
Whoa! What are you doing? He's so messy. You like that, Chucky's? You like that?
So yes, Daddy, I love it.
Oh, he got a good chunk in his mouth.